Hi guys, it's Nina, and in this little video I'll show you how to make this very trendy and famous and popular glowy effect on your drawing. So this is my drawing of Justin Bieber. It's a traditional drawing, it's not digital, and I made the picture a little bit darker. I actually just modified it a tiny bit because I think if you want to make this glowy effect, then it's kind of obviously and logical that it needs to be in the dark. Like the person needs to be in the dark to have like this glow on the skin. So I'm working in Krita. Krita is a free program, Photoshop analog, I don't know how to say that. So this is really simple, and I chose this airbrush, and the blending mode is on screen, and I'll choose the color. I think, well, as you can see, I was already like practicing before I started recording the video, but I think I like the blue one for Justin better. And well, what can I say? I'll make the brush a little bit bigger, and I decided that it's going to be the right side of his, no, this is the left side of his face, and this is the right side for me. And it's very cool that I already can see the most highlighted areas, but well, I'm starting here. I'll start on his chin, on his forehead, hair. I always forget about the hair. Ear, neck, shoulder, maybe collarbone. Yeah. So let's start. It's cool that I can press harder, so the color will be more bright and vibrant and dense. I don't know how to say that. And yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just lightly filling in the area that's going to be glowy. I actually like this drawing of Justin Bieber. It's actually very old, and right now he has a lot more tattoos. He's married now. Me too, by the way. Jonathan is somewhere here. But I still like this drawing. I think it's very like well made, just well made. I'm going to add this blue color on the right side of the nose. Maybe a little bit here also. Well, I actually really like how it looks like. I think I also should put some blue color on this area of his body, on his neck and shoulder. And the thing is, now when I want to make it brighter, more neon, I don't need to like do anything other than press harder on my pen. Like, can you see? It's super awesome. The screen blending mode. I told you that it was on the screen blending mode. So I'm kind of just imitating the hair, like as if I was drawing it. But I don't think it matters a lot because I'm just so much used to the traditional art that I'm still very new, and I'm confident when I'm doing something digitally, but I guess it's a good practice. And by the way, after Justin Bieber, I will do the same on Ariana Grande's drawing. So just stick to the end. And now I think I'll choose the white color. And this white color will really make it like neon, you know, because this is exactly the effect I'm going for. I shouldn't have done that. Like only a little here and there. And that's almost it. That was really simple. I'll go back to the blue one. Get more blue here. Here also, on the chin, and here. And this is it, guys. That's it. I think it looks awesome. It took me 8 minutes with the intro, and that just looks awesome. And now let's move to Ariana Grande. Okay, so this is Ariana. This is also my drawing. It's not as old as Justin Bieber's drawing, and it's also not dark. This drawing is actually the picture of this drawing is actually a lot brighter, so it might not be as cool as with Justin Bieber, but let's try, right? So actually I was trying two colors on Ariana, like this neon green and neon pink, and because my favorite color is pink, I'm going to choose pink. Oh, by the way, I think I need to say that I'm drawing on the original layer because of the blending mode. And I'll make the brush a tiny bit, yeah, this is perfect. So the light is basically coming from this side, and this is where it's going to be pink. I'm really not pressing hard on the pen right now. To make it really smooth and just good. I think I won't touch her blazer. Only her skin and face. Make the brush a little bit smaller now, and I'll just press a tiny bit harder on the pen. I'm basically drawing on the highlighted areas, just like on the Justin Bieber's drawing, but this drawing, I think it's like kind of facing the light, so it might look more natural if the neon effect will be on this side of the face and exactly on this Ariana Grande drawing. It's like it was made for this, you know? I'm pressing harder now. I think this is the most pink part of her face. I'm actually surprised how easy and fast it is. So if you have a tablet or an iPad or just download Krita on your computer and use a mouse for this, it's just gonna look very modern and cool. Will definitely be a cool picture on your social media and will attract a lot of attention. I actually already like how it looks like. I think it looks already awesome. Just making it very smooth with soft edges, with smooth transitions, and when I'm done, I will choose a white color, just like in the previous picture, and I will make it more neon, and basically that's it. I will just finish it. think I'll probably need to add more pink stuff here. It's never too pink, you know? Yeah, I guess I'm ready for the white color. Make it even, I don't know, like 55, 50 is perfect. No, 50 is not perfect. I'm sorry. I'll make it 82. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is exactly what I was going for. This looks awesome. I'm going to post both drawings on my Instagram, so check it out there. And of course, write your opinion, what you think about this effect. Would you try it? I think you should, because it's like a new trend and everybody should try that. It looks cool. It looks cool, you have to admit that. I'll go back to the pink one. I'll make the brush a little bit bigger. More? Yeah. And I'll just make it more pink. And that's it. This is the end of my tutorial, guys. It was really fast. 2 pictures within 16 minutes. It's just super cool and it looks awesome. I love how it looks like. And that's it. Write your opinion about this effect. So would you try it or not? Don't forget to go to my Instagram to find the final results. And see you soon, guys. Bye!